Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to verify your device account as well as your user sign-in on Surface Hub. So the first thing when wanting to verify your device account as well as your user sign-in on Surface Hub is to navigate to settings. From here, you're going to look for Surface Hub and go and look for accounts. You're going to now confirm a device account is added and displays as active and not as not set. You can now use the Surface Hub hardware diagnostic tool from Microsoft Store to run comprehensive tests on connectivity, certificates, and also trust configuration. Also, ensure the account is a log-on enabled room mailbox with Exchange web services, and also make sure that that's enabled, and also MFA is disabled. You now need to verify that it has valid Microsoft Teams Rooms license and is excluded from conditional access policies requiring device compliance. Test passwordless authentication using Microsoft Authentication app or FIDO2 USB security keys. During your sign-in, Surface Hub displays a code that users approve via the Authentication app with a PIN or even a biometric verification. This could be fingerprints or even face recognition. Review your Azure sign-in logs for any errors, confirm the device time accuracy, and check for any expired passwords. Exclude the device account from blocking conditional access policies and ensure the Surface Hub OS is updated to build 19042.572 or even later for more modern authentication support.